Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today our topic is about LG error code. It's LG error code CH10. It's a concealed unit of LG. So today we see why this error is coming, what are the reasons behind this error. So we will discuss in this video. So you can see practically we start the machine now. It will take almost 50 seconds. After 50 seconds the error will show in this machine, and you can see after 50 seconds what error is coming. So let's wait for the 50 seconds. I increase the speed of my video for to save your time. Let's see, when the 50 seconds will be completed, the error will show in this thermostat. Let's see. Now you can see this CH10 is coming now. CH10, this came after 50 seconds. So we will discuss this, why this CH10 is coming. Our machine is not running at that time. So error number 10, error number 10, error type is indoor unit BLDC fan motor failure. So it tell you the BLDC fan motor failure is coming. That's why this error came. Let's see error point. What is the error point? The main point is indoor BLDC fan motor feedback signal is absent for 50 seconds. When you run the machine, your fan motor will be running, but the feedback signal is not coming back to the PC board. That's why this error code is coming. Main reasons of this error is number one is motor connector connection fault. Maybe your connection is not good. Indoor PCB fault, maybe your PCB is faulty. And motor fault, maybe your motor have a problem. So you must check these three problems. So first you can check motor connector, your connection is okay. Indoor PCB, maybe your indoor PCB is faulty. You must check your indoor PCB and motor, and at the end you can check your motor. This is the connection of PCB to motor. This is the indoor PCB of concealed unit. So you can check this jack is okay, connected okay or not. Sometime you got it loose. What fault we found in this machine? Now I'll show you what found we get in this machine. This is our indoor blower. You can see this wire is broken. The motor wire is broken. That's why this error came in our machine. So you need to fix it, and then the error code will be gone. After fixing this error, our machine is running normally now. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe.